Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I'm going to show you guys this most amazing. Now, do you know what this is? Most of you guys don't know what this is. This little tool is like mind-blowing. This will save you so much time applying your eyelashes. It will not only help put your lashes on, it saves you time, and it also helps keep your lashes looking like in tip-top shape. I cannot apply my false eyelashes without this. I'm going to zoom you guys into my eye like 2000% where you see my eyeball, and I'm going to apply my lashes wearing this, and you're going to see, you're going to be, it's like mind-blowing. I cannot do my makeup without this or my lashes without this. So if you're curious to what this is, just stay tuned for that video. And before we get there, can you please hit that like button, that thumbs up button, and the subscribe button next to it, and the tiny little bell. Let's get to that video right now. Okay guys, for demonstration purposes, I put a white to clear adhesive on these. You can see I already put them in the lash binder. Now watch this. This is how easy this is. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to find exactly where I want to lay them. And I'm going to push down, and then I'm going to release. And guys, can you see? They're on, they're stuck. That's how easy it is to use that. Okay, I'm just going to move over to the other eye and show you guys. Again, just down, push it on the lashes, above the lashes, not on the lashes. And boom. See? With the glue wasn't as tacky, so you can still see the glue wasn't sorry guys, the glue wasn't dry, so you can still see the white. And this is a great example of showing you how close it gets down, like practically on top of your lashes. Isn't that amazing? And that's it. I got it on perfect. So what did you guys think? Isn't this the easiest flipping tool to work with? I mean, it was like bam, bam, done, out the door. And one thing that I didn't mention is if you are one of those people who put mascara on after you apply your lashes, or even before, what you can do is you can take this, you open it up, and you put it on top of your false lashes, and then you squeeze your lashes onto those false lashes just like that, clipping them together, and it kind of makes them adhere together so they don't separate throughout the day and nobody can tell that you have false lashes on. If I can find the Amazon link to this bad boy, I will post it down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys subscribed and push that thumbs up button. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.